What you're seeing right now are a
This
few
is
finished animation
amazing!
clips, all created using free
Can
or nearly
someone
free
please
AI
help me?
tools, with consistent
Thank
characters,
you. As a
natural lip
reward,
sync,
I'll take
and
you
no
to find the
complicated
glowing deer.
post-production.
Did you go to play today? To the woods, Mama. It was so much fun.
When people first see animations like these, they often think, it doesn't look that hard. But once they try it themselves, problems start popping up everywhere. Characters keep changing faces, styles suddenly shift, lip sync feels awkward, and after trying many free tools, most people eventually give up. If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. If you've run into these issues too, then this video is worth watching till the end. I'll show you a simple, zero-cost way to create animated videos step by step. Alright, let's get started. Before we jump into the workflow, let me quickly introduce the AI tools we'll use today. There aren't many, but together they solve most of the common problems in animation creation. First, ChatGPT. We'll use it to brainstorm stories, organize scripts, break down storyboards, and generate the AI prompts we'll need later. The second tool is Gemini 3. I recommend trying the Google One free trial plan. You can find registration guides online, and the upgraded AI credits are more than enough for learning and practice. After upgrading, you usually get around 100 Nano Banana Pro image generations per day, plus 1,000 AI video credits valid for 1 month. Images are easy to generate, but videos are the real focus. Today we'll use VO 3.1 Fast to generate videos. Its biggest advantage is automatic lip sync, so you don't need extra software just to match mouth movements. An 8-second video costs only 20 credits, and 1,000 credits are enough to practice and complete a short animated project. Finally, we'll use CapCut for editing and integration. CapCut videos can actually be exported for free, and I've made a separate tutorial about that. I'll put the related tutorial links in the description below this video. So basically, the entire animation workflow you'll see today can be done at almost zero cost. Now let's move on to the actual creation process. Gemini can also help us come up with stories. I typed this into Gemini 3. Please write a story about a child's adventure in the forest. As you can see, the script is generated very quickly. It's a story about courage, friendship, and the wonders of nature, and it's even structured into chapters. For story ideas and AI prompts, you can interact with AI as much as you want until you're satisfied with the result. Next, I asked AI to create character reference prompts for 3 recurring characters in the story: Pipi, the rabbit, and the glowing deer, to ensure visual consistency. Based on these prompts, I ran Nano Banana Pro to generate character reference images. You can generate several options and pick the one you like most. This is the selected reference image for Pipi. On the right, you can see the rabbit's reference image, along with screenshots of the generation process. And here is the selected reference image for the glowing deer. I use Google Flow to generate both images and videos with Nano Banana and VO. Personally, I find Google Flow's interface more intuitive for visual content. Some images or videos can be generated directly from prompts, like the 3 character images we just created, and the video shown on the screen now. Others require character reference images, or even references to previously generated images. The goal is simple: to keep characters as consistent as possible across different scenes. Next, I asked AI to generate storyboard descriptions, matching SRT subtitles and AI prompts for each scene. Once we have the storyboard prompts, we're ready to start creating videos. There are 3 main ways to generate videos: text to video, image frame to video, and reference-based video generation. Text to video means generating videos directly from prompts, image frame to video uses starting or ending frames, and reference-based video combines prompts with character reference images. We also need to choose the aspect ratio, 16:9 for horizontal videos, 9:16 for vertical videos, and the number of outputs per generation. For each prompt, I usually set video output to 1 first, check the result, and then decide whether to regenerate. For images, you can choose 2 or 4 outputs, since image credits refresh daily. We also need to select the video model. As mentioned earlier, we'll use Veo 3.1 Fast. During video generation, the model may automatically create voice. If you want more control, you can simply include the dialogue directly in the prompt. Now I'll quickly show you the video generation process using screenshots. Here is a screenshot of adding reference images. If the images are already uploaded, you can select them from the cloud library. Otherwise, click Upload and add them from your local files. This is a screenshot of text-to-video generation. This is a screenshot of reference-based video generation with 1 reference image. And this is reference-based video generation with 2 reference images. To link reference images, simply describe them in the prompt. It's actually very simple. If the transition between 2 scenes feels too abrupt, you can add a transition. For example, I added a sunny to fog transition, so Pipi appearing in the mist feels natural. Once all video clips are generated, we move to the final step, putting everything together in CapCut. In CapCut, we simply organize the videos, subtitles, and music. No complex effects are needed. After exporting, your complete animated video is ready. And honestly, the sense of achievement feels amazing. To sum up, character consistency comes from reference images, and lip sync can be handled directly by the model. Don't try to be perfect from the beginning. Getting the workflow right is far more important. All the tools used today, the tutorial on exporting CapCut videos for free, and the extra animation Pipi's Forest Adventure are linked in the description below. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to subscribe to my channel, Decoding Everything. You can also explore other videos on the channel. You might just find something that's exactly what you're looking for. See you in the next video.